How Venn prevents taking screenshots of sensitive company information. Keeping data secure within the Enclave is one of the primary features of Venn. Venn makes use of data loss protection policies to prevent data being copied to the local computer when this data is copied from an application within the Enclave. With the Venn window active, this badge on the side of the Excel window indicates what this user is allowed to do. Notice that here on the badge, the last item down on the bottom, screen capture and sharing, shows a lock beside it. This is an indication that this user is not allowed to share their screen or capture the screen either. This is a policy-based configuration that the company can set for a specific user, groups, or the entire company. Let me demo that for you. When I attempt to capture a part of the screen, you will notice that any of the windows that are currently inside of the Enclave are blacked out. We're not showing that. Let's go ahead and close that out. And you'll notice with the badge, companies do have the ability to allow staff to share a window, but they must enter a reason in doing so. Here, when I click on Share Window, I have to give it a reason. That gets documented for auditing purposes. Let's try that capture again. This time you'll notice that as I highlight and capture the screen, that Excel spreadsheet is now visible. However, all of the other windows of Venn within the Enclave are still blacked out.